IFPC Cyber Insurance Denmark app. The pros, the cons. The IFPC Cyber Insurance Denmark app is designed to simplify how businesses manage cyber coverage. You might think it's just a digital policy viewer, but it actually lets you submit claims, track premiums, and receive real-time alerts about incidents and policy updates. On the pro side, the app provides strong coverage for cyber risks, including data breaches, ransomware, and network liability. Claims submission is easy. You can upload invoices, screenshots, and supporting documents directly from your device. Premium tracking is clear and transparent, with reminders for upcoming payments and a complete history of past transactions. Push notifications keep you updated on claim progress, policy changes, and renewals. The app also offers practical guidance for cyber risk prevention and incident response. On the con side, offline functionality is limited, so most features require an internet connection. Some users notice slower performance when handling large files or older claims. Advanced predictive analytics are not included, limiting proactive risk management. In conclusion, the IFPC Cyber Insurance Denmark app is practical, user-friendly, and reliable. While it doesn't include advanced analytics, it performs very well in claims management, premium tracking, and real-time updates. For businesses seeking a simple and efficient tool to manage cyber insurance, this app is an excellent choice.